Our ranges of highly visible aisle signs identify individual aisles, enabling quick and accurate picking and stock placement. They come in a range of shapes and sizes, with a white or yellow background colour and bold black digits. There are angled aisle flags that highlight and identify individual bays. These include an L-shaped marker and a triangular marker, both with either a self-adhesive or magnetic fixing. To identify individual aisles, we supply flat end-of-aisle signs in varying sizes, from a small 95 by 160 mm up to a large 600 mm square. Each is supplied with radius pre-drilled corners for secure fixing with plastic cable ties. Bespoke signs can also be manufactured, incorporating directional arrows or logos, as well as entry or no entry symbols. Many options are available, including V-shapes for suspending from the ceiling, and all can be produced with a choice of colour for both the background and the digits.